Hey everyone! In this quick guide, we're going to show you the new updated method to convert SPayLater to GCash instantly. Safe, fast, and easy. First, we need to find a trusted and verified merchant who accepts SPayLater as payment and can send GCash in return. We can search for these sellers in Facebook Marketplace, online groups, or official partner stores. Make sure they have good reviews and proof of previous transactions to avoid scams. Once we choose a merchant, we select their product or service, head to checkout, and choose SPayLater as the payment method. After confirming the payment, the seller will verify it on their end. Right after the payment clears, the merchant sends the equivalent amount directly to our GCash wallet. This usually happens within minutes if the seller is online and active. We should only deal with verified sellers and never share personal account details beyond what's necessary for the transfer. And that's it, the fastest way to turn SPayLater into GCash. If you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more quick and updated guides. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.